The milk tea you make is not strong enough, and the flavor is not enough? It's because you didn't choose a good tea base. We have recently produced a Dahongpao tea with rich aroma, long-lasting taste, and fullness. It is simply one of the must choices for making milk tea. Let me teach you first tea base brewing and beverage making. Add tea leaves and boiling water into the measuring pot, then stir well, then seal and brew for 15 minutes. After brewing, stir the tea leaves before filtering, then filter the tea leaves, add ice cubes and stir evenly for later use. Add ice cubes, milk, cream, and our hero of the day, Dahongpao. Our Dahongpao has a strong burnt aroma, and the fragrance and body are very good. Making milk tea can greatly improve the fullness and flavor of the overall product. It is suitable for making various milk tea products and lemon tea products with various raw materials. Add chocolate syrup and shake well. Scrape the chocolate sauce into the cup. Then add a layer of cream, sprinkle with crushed Oreo biscuits, and add another biscuit to complete. If you want to know more about the latest raw material consultation in the industry, just pay attention to our Xiaoya students. Bye bye, we will see you next time.